Opinions are like Teslas. Everybody got one nowadays. Yo, check it out. Welcome back to Short Form Tech. I'm your host, Kenya Long here. On this channel right here, I teach you tips and tricks how to grow on short form video, Snapchat, Facebook story, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, man. And this is the TikTok playlist. So do what you need to do and follow me on TikTok at Kenyon Comedy as well, man. Of course, you guys know I already went viral on TikTok. Check out my other videos as well. If you jump into this playlist ahead, you need to go back to the beginning. Start from the beginning of this playlist so you can see all the tips, and tricks for TikTok. Yeah, man. So this is a very popular, I should say, filter there on TikTok that I've found success in when I have 2 million views on one video right now because I use this tip right here. This little tip right here. I'm giving it to you guys. I'm telling you right now, I'm giving it to you. This is the green screen. Now, behind me, I usually have like a big, huge green screen that I bought because, you know, we all watch YouTube videos. And I was doing that with my workflow, but it was just, I had to leave from Final Cut Pro to Premiere. And it was just, all right, the transition was terrible as far as green screen goes. So I said, you know what, I'm going to ditch the green screen. And in TikTok, you know, you got some people who are excellent at editing and stuff. And so they'll put in, you know, green screen effects and all that, Premiere Pro. I get that. But we try to keep it simple for you, right? Simple. So simple. This video is so simple. I got 2 million views off of it. All you have to do for green screen on TikTok, they provide it for you. What you need to do is open the TikTok app, scroll on over to the filters you're going to use before you shoot your video. Go down to the bottom there. You'll see all these effects you can use. Choose that green one with the arrow on there. And yes, that is your green screen. Now, as you can see in the back of it, as soon as you put it up, they got like a random photo of some random country. Don't even know where that is. TikTok, holla at me. Let me know. Anybody else in the comments, let me know. Y'all know where that photo is actually in the world. That'd be dope. It looked like Italy to me. That's all I can say. And so that is your blank slate. You can start on that screen if you want to, but I tell you, don't do that. So what you should do is hit Google. And I do this, of course, this is on my mobile phone, but you can do it on your laptop as well. But I do this on my mobile phone as far as finding a picture. I hit Google and I like to change the scenes, man. In Hollywood, of course, you know, we like to change the scenes a lot. So for some people, psychology-wise goes, man, you may see this background, a lot of videos. That video you seen that I went viral on, that was shot right here, okay? Thank you for green screen TikTok. So I would say choose random places like whatever your video topic is about. So if it's about a hospital, which I have success on, choose a hospital background, whatever is in your living room, which I did as well, whatever, cruise ship, I don't know, outside, streets, doesn't matter. Choose your background that you think that will be good. And then of course, all you gotta do, I like to shrink my screen, you know, my background that I'm using and make sure it fits. Now, here's the thing. I don't always it's hard to find the image that meets the size of TikTok to make it all fit in. So it don't have to be perfect, but the main part you want to see in your picture, your background, make sure that is selected. So you got an iPhone, make sure you shrink it even shorter or smaller. You have like a gas station pump, right? And you did a picture of a whole gas station pump and the gas station, you had Quick Trip and all this. But you missed the pump when you cut down the screenshot. So don't do that. Make sure you get the main item you want to get. Now there's photo resizes you can do and all that. But look, we're trying to get this done quickly as possible, man. Like we're trying to get it done quickly as possible. So I don't want you to spend, 45 minutes on a 15-second TikTok video. It's okay if it's high concept. We already know, but I don't want you doing that, all right? You don't know if it's going to flop or not. Then you're going to be mad like, dang, 45 minutes. So that's what you do, man. Toss it in the background, and that's it. You start shooting your video. Simple as that. You can always take the filter off if you want to switch to a different effect or anything you want to do on it, or you in the real world, right? Then stop the video again and then put the filter right back on and change the scene. Do a different scene. You're at the beach now. You know what I'm saying? You in Malibu. You in Nobu. Because some of y'all, that's the only way you're going to get to Nobu is you put it on a green screen. I'm just saying. All right. So whatever you're going to do, change your background up, switch it up, man, because if you're playing different characters, multiple characters, it's pretty cool to, I don't know, people psychologically, they're used to seeing TV and everything. So they're used to seeing scenes change. So you're playing multiple characters. Step it up by using the green screen effect on TikTok, man. But don't go nowhere. You already know I got other videos that you haven't even checked out yet for this TikTok playlist. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get the notification bell as well. And you'll know when I'm dropping another gem for you for your short form video, helping you grow, man. But just check out the next video though.